I feel like for years, I've been searching for an iPhone gimbal that actually works. Well, I'm happy to say, I think I finally found one. Today, I'm introducing the Hohem iSteady M7 smartphone gimbal. It's one of those ones that, well, that was close. This is something that is absolutely amazing. You're gonna love it. And without further ado, B-roll, baby. When Hohem reached out to me about reviewing the M7 iSteady gimbal, I was expecting it to be like most of the gimbals on the market. Really not that fun to use, one for pain to set up, and really easy to just go handheld. Upon opening it, I was instantly impressed with the quality. Oh, check it out. Oh, this is beautiful. Feels really good in your hand. On this, I'm just impressed. They did a darn good job. From the build quality to the case, I can honestly say they put a lot of thought into it, and this thing is packed with features. More on that in a second. The M7 iSteady gimbal is so simple to use that even if you've never used a smartphone gimbal before, you'll quickly get the hang of it. And I know because my son has never used one and I let him use it. I'm just a fan of tech that works. And if the M7 was only a smartphone gimbal and I used it, I'd be like, take my money, this thing is perfect, it gets the job done. But Hohem went above and beyond and loaded this thing with features that really make it stand out from the crowd. It's got a 1.4-inch touchscreen that also doubles as a monitor, has a full RGB and OCC light on it, which just gives you control over temperature, a USB-C that can reverse charge so you can keep your phone powered, and it even has a built-in 195mm extension rod to get those drone-like shots. Now again, if Hohem had just stopped right there with all those features, I'd be like, take my money, this thing's amazing. But they really went above and beyond and added one more feature that separates it and puts it at the top of its class, and that is advanced AI magnetic tracking. Pretty cool, huh? Now, from the first time I used this thing, I was instantly impressed. There's so many times where I need to be able to get a camera movement like this, and I can't do it because I'm filming by myself. But there was one thing in particular I was really excited to try out. Yo, check this. Look at this. It has a magnetic AI, and so this little thing that's attached to it is like this little, so it's literally this little thing here. Catch you later, bro. Love you. I can confirm it works. I really didn't expect for this little monitor slash touchscreen device to be so handy. But when I'm doing stuff like this and I need to be able to see the shot without having to reline it up, like, I'm just impressed. It's really cool. And I think that's one of the things I didn't expect with this M7 iSteady device, to be able to, as a parent, no longer be behind the camera with my kids, but also be in front of the camera. Moments that otherwise I'd be capturing and kind of out of, I'm not able to be a part of. I think that's one of those things that it's just an added benefit of having a device that works and works so well. So yeah, you can use it for FaceTime, you can use it for Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, like anything that uses the camera app, it works. Now, in addition to that, they have an amazing app that you can use it with that also has a ton of educational features that shows you how to create a sequence. And if you've never even made a video before, following those instructions, you can make a pretty solid video. So if you're looking for a smartphone gimbal that just works, go ahead and get it. If you're looking for a smartphone gimbal that's packed with features, go ahead and get it. And if you're looking for something that is gonna set you apart and give you the ability to create as a solo creator or as somebody who often uses their phone, look no further. The iSteady M7 smartphone gimbal is just for you. It works and it works amazingly. That's all I have for you in this one. I see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm still so impressed. Like, look at this thing, let's focus on it. I don't know what kind of craziness they put into this thing, but when I tell you the way it falls is just insane. Okay. Happy creating, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.